around town going, stop, and things would disappear. When someone was doing a hard job of work with a saw, maybe, she would go, zop, and the saw would disappear. And when someone was doing a hard job of work with the axe, she would go, zop, and the axe would disappear. And when someone who was about to sit in a chair after a hard day's work, zop, and the chair would disappear. And when someone was about to drink a nice cold glass of water, zop, and the glass would disappear. The villagers got tired of this, and they said, get that thingy out of here! Take your one and your practical jokes. Take your son, too. Now! The boy and his mother were ostracized. That means they had to go to the edge of town. Now in this town, people used to tell stories about a big giant named Abiola. He's as big as a house! He's got big sharp claws! He can eat people up! Of course, no one really believed these stories, but they told him anyway. One morning, the sun rose blood red. The villagers woke up and looked out their windows. People, it's Abiola! They could feel the ground shaking. Women screamed. Strong men fainted. What for your life? It's Abiola! Down to the fields he came. First he grabbed a whole pig. Then he grabbed a whole sheep. And then he grabbed a whole cow. Woo! And then he grabbed a whole horsey. Meow! Just then the boy and his mother woke up. Mom, what's that red? Oh, son, it's Abiola. If only I could get him to lay down, I could make him visit here. Oh, me, Mom, I'm got an idea. Yeah. Don't go near him, he'll eat you alive. Look out! Run away! There was Abiola. He had disgusting curly fingernails because he never clipped them. Disgusting ratted hair because he never brushed it. And he had disgusting slobbery teeth because he never brushed them. He was just about to come down on the boy when he whipped out his ukulele and began to sing. Abiola, 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 The monster had never heard a song all about himself before, and well, he kind of liked it.
Yay!
Not done yet. The villagers ran out of their houses. You made him disappear! He's gone! You saved the village! Here, my hat. Have a hat. What? I'm gonna do my hat. Here. Come back to town. We're sorry we kicked you out. I'm bringing a ukulele too, but you can't play it. And then lived happily ever after.